Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had an amazing week and as always an even better weekend planned ahead. So this Friday we have Paula with her 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro in that very bright and bold voodoo blue. So Paula said there was about a 6-month wait for it and now about a 2-month wait to get on the Fan Feature Friday. So thank you very much Paula for sending in your 4Runner. Some of the current mods done is a remote start system and the TRD cold air intake. Some of the future mods to come is C4 Fab Rock Sliders, which have already been ordered, hidden light bar up front behind the grille, and LED/HID headlight conversion, and maybe some Raptor lights. So Paula, thank you very much for sending in your 4Runner. Voodoo Blue is coming to its end of its cycle where the hype is, and it has definitely grown on me more in its time than it was on day one. So it really pops against that New Mexico desert and it looks really good, especially with those hot air balloon photos. That's really awesome. So Paula, thank you again for sending it in. Guys, have an amazing weekend and I will catch you all in the next Fan Feature Friday. All right, see you later.